be like, distracted. Train. Pop fly coming this way, he'll be distracted. Magnus, what kind of train car is that?
What, tanker?
That thing.
What thing? Hopper?
Yeah, I heard it recently too.
Oh wait, that's like a coal. That carries coal.
What's the NS one?
Are you?
That
Yeah,
NS car.
that carries coal. Mom.
That one?
Yeah.
Coil car.
Yeah.
Backing up over there.
That was go fast.
Oh yeah,
He wants to go to
we've gone
Sweetwater,
over there before.
which is just north of here. Sweetwater has
What's Sweetwater?
not too good.